Hey, who's there?
How's it going?
Good save. Yeah, me too.
Oh, I just broke my shoe.
Look who's here. We go hiking again. Apa kabar?
Baik, baik. Kemana?
Sama-sama.
Jalan-jalan.
Yeah. I didn't know I've been really missing this run. It's been a while since we were. So when there is no Elliott, I almost not running. I haven't been hiking that much as well because no Elliott. Not Elliott who's knocking on the door at 7 o'clock in the morning. With so many memories, right?
So many.
Yeah. We spent so much time on this trail. We started a year ago, actually, like a little bit more than a year. And at the beginning, I was so happy that because I was like three months in advance when I've been already hiking here. Well, the Elliott haven't been hiking, I don't know, for at that point you didn't hike for a couple of years, right?
Yeah.
So
2 years.
yeah, so I felt a little bit stronger than him. I was like, good for my ego. And then he started slowly catching up and I needed to speed myself up. So that was really great times. It's like we're celebrating anniversary, Elliott.
Yeah.
Hiking anniversary. We just met the people on a trail. So the first side effect of posting all this or uploading these videos is that people start doing the same things what you've been doing. They're following you, which is great. I just hope that this trail will not become too busy one day. And I just remember that forecast office of the Indonesia says that this year the rain season will start in October. I'm kind of start believing in it because the last couple of days been really cloudy. The clouds are really high. On the other side of the mountain ridge it's rainy all the time. Yesterday Elliott said that in the south it's all the time raining. I would actually go here. Yeah. Because it's steep on that side.
Yeah, I think I nearly fell for the trap you just
I think we just found with Elliott again another adventure. I remember when we were doing pull-ups all the way up the slope, right? It was even a slope, it was like a drop a while ago. Because from the road you don't see actually, there's a bump in the middle. I'm glad we found the new trail. Last time I took the wrong one, so I went there and almost killed myself because it was really slippery and there's nowhere to hold on. No any bush, no trees, no stones, just a sandy area. And it happened actually because we have this natural reflect what side-handed you are. Like right-handed, left-handed. I'm right-handed, so that's why I went the right side. Or another thing is that we always trying to go up, and it's also sometimes really wrong. So that's why, for example, last time I missed the trail just because I was so focused to look up. Well, actually it was just on the left. We got in some little trouble with going down because it's really steep, and it's always easy to go up, but pretty tough getting down. Stop. No, it was slow. Anyways, so yeah. Whew. But since we decided that we are not going on other side because our motorbike is here, so then we were kind of forced to go down same way, and that's what created problem. Not really a problem, just a little bit slow descent. Now it's fine again.
There's a gap. Yeah, there's a gap between those two rocks.
Yeah, there is a gap. Oh,
Is it a big ledge?
actually you can
Don't say jump.
simply walk up here, but to get on that side, how you gonna come back then? We'll take a break, short break, and then go down.
Accomplished.
Yeah, mission accomplished. Oh, kapoi.
Saya enggak tahu apa. Iya.
Mountain calves. Manis? Hello, hello. Yesterday, around 3 o'clock, there was a pretty strong rain. And it was for really good 20-25 minutes. All the salt fields was flooded. So today they cannot get any salt today, so Agong is still covered in the clouds. And today we are going for 3 dives. We're gonna do Bunutan, we're gonna do Lipa, and we're gonna do pyramids. That's the first plan. Maybe something will change during the process, but that's the plan.